So you want to start dropshipping in 2020, or at least try and find success with dropshipping in 2020. Well, obviously that's a really good decision. In fact, e-commerce is one of the fastest growing industries right now. There's millions and millions of square foot of retail space closing every single year. Believe it or not, but by 2023, e-commerce sales are supposed to pass a total of $6.3 trillion globally.
Oh my God! Wow!
More than that, there's so much money to be made with dropshipping if you do it the right way. As you've heard from a lot of experienced dropshippers, or even by testing yourself, the product is actually the main key to find success in dropshipping. Now, obviously, there's a whole bunch of other factors and a whole bunch of other components that are involved in dropshipping as well. But if you do not have the right product, if you're not looking for the right product, everything else will fail consequently. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 products to absolutely stay away from in 2020. And yes, that does mean do not dropship any of these 5 products in any case, especially if you're just starting out with a brand new Shopify store, brand new Facebook ad account, and brand new Facebook pixel. What's going on, beautiful people? Yash here. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. I hope each and every single one of you guys is absolutely having a great week and a great day. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel with your post notification bell on. And while you're at it, drop a huge like on this video. Go down below and absolutely smash that like button for me. So we're actually going to be going into my computer in just a sec, and I'm going to be showing why these 5 products are absolutely not a good idea to dropship this year and onwards. You'll see that most of these products have the same underlying reason, but it's very important to be aware of this as a dropshipper. Let's jump into my computer so you can actually make smart decisions and not dropship these 5 products. And we go. So here we have it, guys, the 5 products to absolutely avoid dropshipping in 2020. I do want to keep this video as to the point and informative for you guys. However, before we do dive into the video, if you guys already have not joined my free Facebook group, Ecom Masterminds, I'll be leaving a link to that in the description down below. So definitely join it, along with all my social media accounts as well, so you guys can stay connected with myself. Let's get straight into these 5 products to avoid selling. The first product we have is LED dog collars. Now, every time, and I mean every single day when I go on Instagram, right before I go to bed, or when I'm eating lunch and I'm taking a break, I'm going on Instagram, I'm going on my newsfeed, and every single time I see someone attempting to sell this product, or someone that is already scaled massively with this product. Yes, guys, LED dog collars are obviously a winning product. However, they are overly saturated, and there is a lot, meaning a lot of market awareness to this specific product already. This product started selling about last year, I would say, and the competition has definitely increased since then. The other thing is, a lot of retailers are starting to have this product in stock, such as Walmart, Target. I can definitely say Walmart for a fact because I actually went there 2 weeks ago and I saw this exact product in their pet aisle. And this is what happens with most dropshipping products. After they perform and do well in the market for some time, a lot of large retailers start to acquire it, which means there's less and less and less in space for dropshippers to actually scale this product because it is actually not as unique anymore. Yes, the pet niche or niche is super profitable and super good to sell in, but please, guys, stay away from selling LED dog collars. There's not much potential to actually scale. You may get a few lucky sales here and there, and this really goes with all the next 4 products as well, but there's only so much you can actually scale consistently with these types of products. Our next one is the infamous portable blender. I must say this is actually one of my favorite products.
Wow!
Again, guys, this product is overly saturated. There's so much market awareness for this product. I just hopped on a one-on-one growth call about 2 weeks ago, and this guy was actually just getting into dropshipping, and he was trying to sell this product with very limited budget, which is even worse. I'm like, dude, you better not sell this product, especially as your first product, because there's really not much space for it anymore. The biggest reason is there's so much increased competition over the past year, year and a half. There's a lot of 7, 8, and even 9-figure white and private label stores that are selling this product and have scaled it to the moon, such as the infamous Blend Jet. The same like the LED dog collar, a lot of retailers are starting to have this one in stock. I can for a fact say that it is in Walmart, Target, and many other larger retailers out there, especially in North America. And this one, guys, AirPods.
Oh, they stealing?
The fuck?
This one's very interesting, and there's actually a few reasons on why I say do not sell it in 2020, and I'll tell you why. First and foremost, yes, they're absolutely oversaturated. Ton of market awareness on Facebook, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Twitter. I've really seen people push these products on every single one of these platforms with influencers and with paid ads as well. I mean, at this point, people really know what these AirPods are made of. Yes, these are the AirPods Pro, the newer version, but I even suggest not selling these, let alone the older versions. I see a lot of people selling the first and second gen versions. Guys, those are so outdated. The other bigger thing is that there's a large risk for infringement. Anything that is copyrighted and patented, I definitely recommend not selling at all. You can actually see that that's one of the niches or categories I recommend not selling in my top niches not to sell in 2020 and onwards. You can check out that video right there, guys. I actually heard a few weeks or a few months ago it was this company, the Shopify store, I'm not going to say the name, many of you guys may know, they actually got sued big time by Apple and a few other companies by selling AirPod Pros. That's just really not too pretty, and you absolutely want to stay away from that. I mean, you do not want to get sued by all these bigger players in the game. There's so many products out there, and literally, guys, thousands of products every single day that are coming out, so stay away from AirPods. You can make money other ways from other products. Last but not least, I just wanted to get this out there so you guys are informed and aware. A lot of people buy these sorts of products because they want to, hear their music on a day-to-day basis, or hear their favorite audiobook, whatever it really is, talk to people. Most of these products, guys, are made from China, and they're super cheap in part. I mean, people do not get great audio experience. A lot of people, have complained of, the audio not working in one of the earbuds, them just totally shutting off, the actual case not charging the headphones and stuff like that too. These are not quality. They do not bring people like Bose premium sound at all. So he was actually complaining that a lot of people were doing returns, chargebacks, and disputes, and just complaining about the overall product. You can see that it's an entire mess just selling something like this. So guys, please stay away from this. Our second to last product is our charcoal tea whitening, and for those of you guys that have been in this space for some while now, you guys definitely know what this product is. This is basically a product that basically helps whiten your teeth. It's basically a charcoal based mix that blew up. I think it was over a year ago. I cannot remember exactly, maybe even a year and a half ago. Super saturated, a lot of market awareness. I literally saw so many people on Facebook, Instagram, especially with influencers on Instagram, with Snapchat, again, a lot of Snapchat influencers, Twitter influencers as well, trying to sell this product. Before, it was doing really well, but now, guys, it is really not. So do not sell the charcoal teeth whitening kit. A lot of increased competition, a lot of 7, 8, 9-figure white and private label stores that are taking over the space with this specific product, or very similar based products. The biggest being Carbon Cocoa. They're actually doing really well with this product and very similar products as well. A lot of these bigger players like Blend Jet, Carbon Cocoa are definitely worth taking a look at in terms of how they're structuring their website, how they're structuring their social media, how are they branding their website, what are their offers. Again, these are great points to take from all these 7, 8, and 9-figure companies. Just a little FYI and note for myself, I really study a lot of bigger players in the game and see how I can implement their strategies and their tactics to my store to make my business even better. A lot of retailers, again, have this in stock. Walmart, Target, I'm pretty sure even like smaller boutique stores and stuff like that have this in their shops as well. So it is really not worth selling anymore in terms of drop shipping them. Last but not least, the back posture corrector. Now, some of you guys may potentially disagree with me. Some of you guys may think I'm absolutely crazy, but that is totally okay. I'm going to really explain as to why I think this is not worth selling anymore. Chances are, if you've been in the dropshipping game for a long time, I'm guessing like a few years, or even if you've just started a few months ago, you're more than likely familiar of our famous back posture corrector. I mean, this is collectively like a 9-figure product, and it absolutely blew up because of the nature of the product. It had such good profit margins. People were buying it at like $2, $3, $4, $5 and literally selling it at like 30, 40, 50 bucks and even more because of the perceived value of the product. Yes, guys, this was a killer winning product, not because of just the features and benefits, but because of the end result of the product. It was absolutely a killer problem-solving product that was super mass targetable and super mass approachable. This is overly saturated. There's a lot of market awareness for this product. A lot of people in the market know about this product already. That's what I mean by market awareness. It is not as unique anymore, right? It is more known rather than unknown. Even if you go on AliExpress and search the product, the top supplier has over 40,000 orders, which is absolutely insane. And again, that is just on AliExpress. A lot of increased competition against 7, 8, and 9-figure white and private label stores selling this bad boy right here. A really good example actually is Blue Bear, if you actually want to check it out. I think what they did with their product, and I think they like patented it or they white labeled it, is the middle right here. When you do ever slouch or when you're not in the proper posture, it actually alerts and vibrates you to kind of sit back up, which I think is really cool. So that's like a newer version of the back posture corrector. Walmart has it in stock, guys, and if you guys don't really believe me, you guys can even go in Google and just search each of these product names and actually type in Walmart or Target or retail stores, and you'll see that a lot of these products are massively available in such retail stores. The entire purpose in dropshipping, guys, is to sell products that are not overly saturated, that are not overly played out. I do believe in some sort of saturation in the dropshipping market, believe it or not. As dropshippers, we basically want to start selling products that are already working in the market, but have some room for us to actually go in and sell and scale with another marketing angle, or with a better website, or with better social medias, better content, better ad copy, and so on and so forth. However, because of the oversaturation and the over market awareness created by these products already as a result, there's not much room to just start dropshipping these products. You may stumble upon a few sales here and there, but the long-term scalability is very limited. If you want to see how I find untapped products, my entire product research and validation strategy, where I actually go behind my screen and share my process and my thought process with you guys, click that video right there and it should take you to that. Especially as newer dropshippers, a lot of people get misinformed and there's a lot of BS in the space or in the air, so it's definitely important to make sure to dropship the right products and not lose money, and to actually allocate your ad spend, time, and energy as efficiently as possible. With that being said, if you guys have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, please do drop them in the comments down below. I always make sure to reply to each and every single one of you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos